I wake up burning, you're just rising slow. We share the same sky, but not the same glow. Your night is my morning, your dusk. We live on a timetable that never lines up. Every goodbye tastes like static on the line. Every good night hits my afternoon in time. I'm dreaming of a solar eclipse where the distance slips. I can hold you for a moment in the dark like this. All I long overdue kisses, long overdue hugs, long overdue misses fall down on us. I'm dreaming of a solar eclipse where the world goes still, so I can finally feel you more than pixels. And will you're pouring coffee, I'm counting stars. Your laughter is echoing through these bars. We live in a triangle time, you, me, you're so far away, but inside every beat, every are you there, every pause before you speak turns into a prayer to pull you to my street. I'm dreaming of a solar eclipse where the distance slips. I can hold you for a moment in the dark like this. All our long overdue kisses, long overdue hugs, long overdue misses fall down on us. I'm dreaming of a solar eclipse where the world goes still, so I can finally feel you more than pixels. And will your day starts when my day tires? We trade ions through tangled wires. If the sky could bend just once for us, I'd give up the sun to see you up close. Oh, I'm dreaming of a solar eclipse where the distance slips. I can hold you for the moment in the dark like this. All our long overdue kisses, long overdue hugs, long overdue misses fall down on us. I'm dreaming of a solar eclipse just to touch your face, just to turn these calls and chats into one.